Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Phenology and today we are comparing the Asus Zephyrus G14 and the Asus TUF A15. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. First up, we'll talk about the devices. Both the laptops are from the Asus Zephyrus and the Asus TUF series respectively, and both the devices are netbooks. Also, both the laptops have the latest Windows 10 operating system. The model number of the Asus Zephyrus G14 and the Asus TUF A15 are given on the screen and will be visible throughout the comparison. Talking about the dimensions, the Asus Zephyrus G14 is 18mm thick while the Asus TUF A15 is 25mm thick. If thickness matters to you, then the G14 is the better one here. It's the same with the weight too, as the G14 is much lighter at 1.6kg compared to A15 which weighs 2.3kg. The Asus Zephyrus G14 is targeted at gaming and performance while the Asus TUF A15 is targeted at performance. Talking about the displays, both the Asus Zephyrus G14 and the Asus TUF A15 have a 14-inch display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Also, both the laptops have high refresh rate, with G14 having 120Hz refresh rate while the A15 having a 144Hz refresh rate with adaptive sync technology. Both the Asus Zephyrus G14 and the Asus TUF A15 have the same chiclet style keyboard with a trackpad. The Asus TUF A15 has a trackpad with multitouch gestures enabled. About the performance, the Asus Zephyrus G14 and the Asus TUF A15 have the same AMD Ryzen 5 4600H, which can turbo up to 4GHz. Both are 4th generation CPUs. Both the G14 and the A15 have the GeForce GTX 1650 Ti graphic card inside with 4GB DDR6 memory for the graphic card. Both the Asus Zephyrus G14 as well as the Asus TUF A15 are equipped with 8GB RAM. The G14 can be upgraded up to 24GB RAM, while the A15 can be upgraded up to 32GB RAM. The Asus Zephyrus G14 has one slot empty, while the Asus TUF A15 has two slots empty. For storage, the Asus Zephyrus G14 has an SSD, while the Asus TUF A15 has an SSD as well as a hard disk. The capacity on the G14 is 1TB, while the A15 has a 256GB SSD and a 1TB hard disk. Connectivity wise, the Asus Zephyrus G14 supports Wi-Fi 6 while the Asus TUF A15 supports AC Wi-Fi. Both the devices have Bluetooth 5.0. For ports, the G14 has two USB Type-C, two USB 3.1, an HDMI port and a headphone microphone combo jack. The A15 has a single USB Type-C, two USB 3.1, a USB 2.0, an HDMI port and a headphone microphone combo jack. The Asus Zephyrus G14 has a 4-cell lithium-ion battery, while the Asus TUF A15 has a 3-cell lithium-ion battery. I'm not sure about the adapter type nor the battery backup, so we'll not write anything there. Talking about the price, the Asus Zephyrus G14 is priced at 97,999 INR, while the Asus TUF A15 is priced at 78,999 INR. Which one is better? Let me know in the comments below. So that's it guys, that was the comparison of the Asus Zephyrus G14 and the Asus TUF A15. Let me know in the comments below about what you think about either of these devices, and also like the video if you think it deserves one, and feel free to subscribe so that you don't miss any videos in the future. This is the first ever video of the laptop comparison. There will be more, so stay tuned. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.